Welcome students to Unnati Commerce classes where commerce is simplified. So today we are going to start with the journal entries. Journal entries from basics to clarity. So journal entries are the base of the accountancy. Today we are going to simplify journal entries for you. So the first question arises, what is a journal? Here am I to explain what journal is. Journal is the first book of original entry. That is why it is called the original book of entry. All the transactions are recorded here in chronological order. So whenever there any transaction is identified, it will be recorded here first. Then all of you must be thinking of a question that why do we need to do the journal entries? So, to maintain complete and accurate financial records, journal entries are very important. And as we do the double entry system, so to apply the double entry system properly, we need journal entries, as it gives us the both aspect of debit and credit. So now another reason to do the journal entries is to make ledger posting easier. It makes it simplified. So that's all are the reasons for the journal entries. I hope I have given all the answers to your question. Now the step forward is the format of a journal entry. As you can see on your screens, the format is shown here of the journal entry. So it will be in a tabular form: date, particulars, ledger folio, amount of debit, amount of credit. So this is how we create the format of journal entry. All the particulars about which this transaction is, that is written in the particulars. Whatever going to be debited, whatever going to be credited will also be written here with the date. That is why it is called the chronological order. As the transactions come, we write them in the same manner. Then how will we post the journal entries? How will we do the journal entries? This is very critical questions for all of you. I will simplify it for you. So there are golden rules to do the journal entries. Those are the golden rules of accounting. And what are they? First, we will simplify the type of account: personal, real, and nominal. According to the type of account, the treatment of the transaction done. For the personal account, we need to debit the receiver, whoever is getting the amount or the object, and credit the giver, whoever is giving that particular amount or the object. That is giver. Then the real account, what comes in, what goes out. So whatever comes in, whatever is in receiving, that will be debited, and whatever is going out, that will be credited. Then comes the third type of account, nominal account. Nominal accounts, as in expenses, incomes, gains, losses, everything comes here. So you have to debit all the expenses and losses. And what will be credited? Obviously, the incomes and gains. We will credit the incomes and the gains, whatever we are earning in that transaction. Now, on your screen, you can see the steps to record a journal entry. The first step is to identify the accounts involved. Example, are they personal account, real account, or nominal account? Then we will apply the golden rules which we just discussed. We will decide what is debit and what is credit. With the narration, we will explaining the transaction. Narration is very important while doing a journal entry. That particular narration gives us the summary of that transaction. Whatever is done in that particular transaction. So without a narration, a journal entry is incomplete. Let's step into the examples for the transactions which we are going to record, the journal entries. So here, capital introduced. Whenever the proprietor is starting a business, he or she will introduce some capital. So owner started business with 50,000 cash, for example. So accounts involved, cash account is involved here, and capital account is involved here. So cash is coming in and it is a real account. Capital account is a personal account. So cash account debit to capital account for 50,000. Debit what comes in and credit the giver. I hope this example is clear to you. Don't forget to write down the narration which has been written here. Now, second example. You are starting a business, then you need to purchase goods. So here we have purchased goods for cash, as in you have given the cash and brought the goods. Yes. So two accounts are involved, purchase account and cash account. Purchase account, nominal account, expense, so it will be debited. And then again the cash account is the real account. So the cash is going out, so it will be credited. Yes. So journal entry will be purchase account debit to cash account for 10,000 rupees. Narration, being goods purchased for cash. Yes. Let's jump to the example 3. Goods sold for cash. Again, now here goods are sold for cash. So goods are going out as in sales and cash is coming in. So cash account will be debited and sales account will be credited as a nominal account. We are having income here. So the journal entry will be cash account debit to sales account. Yes. And the narration, being goods sold for cash. Again, narration is very important while you're doing the journal entries. I hope these basic transaction and basic rules are making you comfortable with the journal entries. Okay, let's get another example. Expense paid. Here, it is an expense. We are paying for an expense. Again, paid rent for 2,000. Rent expense account. It will be debited. Cash account, which is going out. So whenever cash is going out, you have to credit the account. So the journal entry will be rent account debit to cash account. Yes, you're correct. Being rent paid will be our narration. Yes. So these are the transactions. Now we will take another example for income receipt. Yes. So commission received for rupees 10,000. Commission received rupee 3,000. So here two accounts are involved again, cash account and commission account. So cash account will be debited as the cash is coming in, and commission account will be credited as it is an income. So the transaction will be cash account debit 3,000 to commission account 3,000. being commission received will be our narration. Yes. So this is how you are going to journalize your entries. But let me make something very clear to you that while doing the journal entries, students make a lot of mistakes. So avoid the following mistakes. First, do not ever forget the narration. 2. Never get confused in debit and credit. Do not reverse their role. Third, do not use the incorrect account category. It will be a fault. Always cross-check the rules and the transaction. Never get in hurry. Never mistake. Repeat. So now you all will be giving me the answers for these following practice questions. Note down in your notebook and do these questions. If any confusion arises, just give me a comment down and I will simplify these transactions for you. So now let's have a quick summary of the journal entries. So journal entries, the first step of accounting. Golden rules are the foundation of journal entries. Narration. Always mention narration as it is the reason why you are doing that transaction. Accuracy, key to ledger and final accounts. So from the journal entries, we get the accuracy of our accounts. The reliability is very important in accountancy. So here our class for journal entries is complete. I hope I have been able to erase all your doubts through this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more commerce classes and we will do the next video on ledger posting from journal entries. Thank you so much for your time.